In this tutorial we will teach you how to animate vectors in Adobe After Effects using basic techniques. Let's get started. Open After Effects and import the .ai file. Now select Composition, retain layer sizes and click Import. Change composition background color to white. We will animate all these layers one by one. To animate easily we start from bottom layer. Now select all layers except background simple and hide them. Now select background layer and go to transform. Now go to time where you want animation to end. Now add keyframe for scale and opacity. Now go to start time for your animation and change values for scale and opacity to 0. Select keyframes and click Easy Ease. Now background simple has been animated. Now unhide the cloud layer. We want these clouds to be moving from left to right in our scene. Now select cloud layer and move it to left of composition and add a keyframe for position. Now go to time where you want clouds to move to right of screen. And move cloud layer to right of screen. To change speed of clouds, change the position of end keyframe of position. Decrease layer duration till end keyframe. To make clouds keep moving in our scene, duplicate the cloud layer and adjust the layer position as shown. Now unhide gate layer. Move gate layer to some time. We want gate to animate after the background and clouds have appeared. Now animate the scale and opacity for gate like we have done for background layer. Set scale and opacity to 0. And make the keyframe Easy Ease by pressing F9 or as shown. Move the end keyframe for scale before that of opacity. We like to see the fading effect of gate as it appears. Now it looks good. Unhide floor layer. Now move the layer forward a little bit. I will animate the scale and opacity for this layer. Add keyframes for scale and opacity. Scale the floor a little bit and position it so that it looks good. Add starting keyframe with scale and opacity equal to 0. Press F9 to easy ease the keyframes. Move the scale end keyframe backward. It looks fine. Adjust the position of keyframes as you like. Let's animate the 3 characters one by one. Move this layer ahead in time. Now animating opacity for this layer. Adjust correct position for layer. Adjust position of keyframes. It looks good now. To make our scene look more realistic, let's show that the characters are running by animating the position property. Add a keyframe for position. Add another keyframe sometime after previous and change only X value to show character is moving to right. Now add another keyframe as shown to move character to left. Let's check how our character looks now. Oh, it is moving too fast. Let's slow it down so it looks realistic. Keep adjusting the position and values of keyframe until our character is in realistic motion. Adjusting the value and position of keyframes. It looks great now. Now copy these keyframes and paste ahead in time, and check the animation. It is great now. Now copy paste these keyframes so that this character is in motion all the time. Select all position keyframes and move a little to left. Perfect. Now let's animate the other characters in a similar way. Move character 3 layer forward so it appears after middle character. Animate opacity and position as we have done for character 2. Set start and end keyframe for opacity. Now animate the position property to show that the character is running. Add another keyframe and change the value to right side of character. Now add another keyframe and change value to left side. Adjust the values and position of keyframes so that this character looks natural. Copy paste the keyframes so THS character is running in whole animation. Character movements look real now. Good. Now move the marker to end keyframe of opacity. The character 1 will start animation on from this time. Move character 1 layer to this time. Animate opacity and position as we have done for character 2 and 3. Set start and end keyframe for opacity. Now animate the position property to show running of character 1. Add keyframe and change the value to right side of character. Now add another keyframe and change value to left side. Adjust the values and position of keyframes so character motion looks natural. Copy paste the keyframes so character is running in whole animation. Now time to animate the final layer. Move finish layer to a position where it appears after the characters. Set keyframes for opacity with start value equal to 0 and end value equal to 100. Now we want the finish line to appear from top to original position. Set a position keyframe at end time for original position. Now at starting point same as opacity, move finish line to top position. By doing this, our finish line will appear moving from top to bottom. Adjust the position of end keyframe so animation is not so fast. Easy ease opacity keyframes. Move finish line a little downward. Adjusting the starting time of character 1. Let's check our animation. The clouds are appearing at the start. Let's delay the clouds. Changing the starting time of character 1 so that its movement does not look similar to middleman. We have animated all the layers. Now let's see how our final animation looks. Beautiful. It looks great. By using basic techniques we have easily animated this finish line scene. We have given the vector file link in description. Download it and try to animate the scene with the help of our tutorial. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comments section down below.